Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to thought of the Baggit Sling Bag, a stylish practical find from Amazon. First off, let's talk about the design. The rich color is versatile and chic, making it perfect for those casual lighting and more formal occasions. The material feels durable yet lightweight, which is a huge plus for everyday use. And now onto functionality. This bag functions features multiple compartments did help keep your essential organized. No more digging around of your phone or key. The adjustable strip is another highlights. It allows you to wear it comfortably across your body or your shoulder, centering to your personal style and comfort. One of the standout feature of the Baggit Sling Bag is its eco-friendly approach and made from vegan leather. It's a great choice for those who are conscious about sustainability without compressing on style. I also appreciate the attention to detail in the stitching and hardware. Everything feels well crafted, which gives you confident that this bag will last through daily wear and tear. In term of pricing, this bag offer excellent value of money. It's affordable and without feeling cheap, making it accessible for a wide range of budget. Overall, if you are in the market for a reliable and stylish sling bag, the Baggit sling bag from Amazon is definitely worth considering, and its price is only 1049 rupees. It combines practically with fashion seamlessly. So what you do you think, is this bag on your wish list? Let me know in the comment. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link in description box, you can check it out. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content in a journey and knowing that you are part of motivates me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like, share, comment help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform, inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, and so please keep sharing your thoughts and suggestions. I want to make sure I improving what you want to see. Remember, this is a two street way communication. So till then, bye, take care guys.